What did you do yesterday?
I went to the park and read a book.
Where did you go for your last vacation?
I traveled to Italy and visited Rome and Florence.
How did you celebrate your last birthday?
I had a small party with my family and friends at home.
What did you eat for breakfast this morning?
I had scrambled eggs and toast.
Why did you decide to change jobs?
I wanted a new challenge and better opportunities for growth.
Who helped you with your project last week?
My colleague Sarah helped me with the research.
What movie did you watch last weekend?
I watched the new action movie that just came out.
How did you feel after the workout?
I felt energized and refreshed.
Where did you find your lost keys?
I found them under the couch in the living room.
When did you learn to ride a bicycle?
I learned to ride a bicycle when I was 6 years old.
What did you buy at the grocery store?
I bought some fruits, vegetables, and bread.
Why did you choose that book to read?
I heard great reviews about it and wanted to check it out.
How did you spend your last weekend?
I spent it relaxing at home and catching up on TV shows.
Who did you meet at the conference?
I met several industry experts and networked with peers.
What did you study in college?
I studied computer science in college.
How did you get to work yesterday?
I took the subway to work.
Where did you have dinner last night?
I had dinner at a new Italian restaurant downtown.
What did you learn from the workshop?
I learned new techniques for improving productivity.
Why did you move to a new city?
I moved for a job opportunity and a change of scenery.
How did you prepare for the presentation?
I practiced several times and created detailed slides.
What did you do on New Year's Eve?
I went to a party with friends to celebrate.
Where did you meet your best friend?
I met my best friend in college during a group project.
What did you wear to the wedding?
I wore a formal suit with a tie.
How did you fix the broken lamp?
I replaced the bulb and tightened some screws.
Why did you choose that course?
It was relevant to my career goals and interests.
What did you discuss at the meeting?
We discussed the upcoming project deadlines and responsibilities.
How did you spend your summer vacation?
I spent it traveling and visiting family.
Who taught you to cook?
My grandmother taught me to cook.
What did you sing at the karaoke night?
I sang my favorite pop song from the 80s.
Why did you decide to start a blog?
I wanted to share my experiences and thoughts with others.
How did you react to the surprise?
I was thrilled and grateful for the surprise.
Where did you see the art exhibition?
I saw it at the local museum.
What did you receive for your birthday last year?
I received a new watch and a book from my friends.
How did you solve the problem at work?
I analyzed the issue and collaborated with my team for a solution.
Who inspired you to pursue your career?
My high school teacher inspired me to pursue my career.
What did you paint in art class?
I painted a landscape of the countryside.
Why did you attend that seminar?
I attended to gain more knowledge in my field.
How did you decorate your living room? Where did you park your car?
I decorated it with new furniture and some plants.
What did you write in your journal?
I parked my car in the garage next to the office building.
How did you choose your pet's name?
I wrote about my day and my thoughts on current events.
What did you design for the project?
I chose the name based on a character from my favorite book.
Why did you quit the sports team?
I designed the layout and visual elements for the project.
How did you get interested in photography?
I quit because I needed more time to focus on my studies.
Where did you go hiking last month?
I got interested after taking a photography class in high school.
What did you play at the concert?
I went hiking in the mountains near the lake.
Why did you enjoy the book?
I played the piano at the concert.
How did you make the cake?
I enjoyed it because of its captivating story and characters.
Where did you volunteer last year?
I followed a recipe and added my own twist with extra vanilla.
What did you discover about your ancestry?
I volunteered at the local animal shelter.